Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a wolf skull. Alrighty. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners if you're a beginner. So let's get started, okay? I'm going to go over here to the edge, and I'm going to go up to the nose, down over here, curve out, curve around here. So it'll be the front of the nose, the shape, because it's going to be a side view of the head that we're doing. So it's going to be kind of the nasal cavity. And you don't have to, it doesn't have to be shaped exactly like that, but just something close. And now I'm going to do the top part of the skull. Pull back here, it's going to be elongated, up, out. Go over here on this side, out. Over here, down, curve up, out, down, in, curve over here. It's gonna be, that's gonna be the eye socket, and it has like this opening here for other muscles and stuff. Pull down here, back, down for the cheekbone area. This is going to be the cheekbone, really, but that's above it there. Curve under here. This could be where the jaw is, upper jaw. Going to pull here, out, down, up. It's going to be the tooth there, canine. And then toward the front over here, I'm going to draw more smaller sharp teeth, maybe two right there. And then over here on this side, we're gonna draw the ones on the side, and the ones on the side look kind of like little triple, like, you know, they're like that kind of thing. And then it's just gonna get a little bit more complicated here. Curve over here, down. Curve over here, out, down, curve for the back of the skull. This is like this crest on the back. Down over here. Curve down, up. And I'm going to have the bottom of the skull right here. Right there, line. Down, up here, up, up. Same thing, there's these little triple crowned kind of ones, these teeth. We're going to pull down here for the ones in the back. The ones in the back are just going to be like a shadow, really. Underneath here. Back for the bottom of the jaw. Curve up, curve in the back there. So there needs to be a line here to kind of show like the eye. So we're going to throw a line here and then fill that in. Curving in. Line over here, line over here, curve in, and I'm gonna kind of put in a shadow here. I'm going to fill in the mouth area to kind of really have that contrast. Don't forget, hit that like button if you like this, creepy drawings of, spooky stuff throughout the year. To kind of keep the channel going, hit that like. That is one of the most important things you could possibly do to kind of keep the channel running, is to hit that like. You can put little, like, teeth right here for the back teeth. Right on. Curve over here. We're drawing little marks like that, like right here with the dark area. Line underneath here. Curve over here. Curve over here. And you can also throw like some slight curvature on the teeth here for the kind of where the tooth kind of comes in. And that's it. That is a wolf skull. Hopefully you like that. Don't forget, I post every day, so hit the subscribe and click the bell notification, and it'll show you what I do. And hopefully you'll learn from this. So thank you so much. Come back for all that spooky stuff, all right? See you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.